What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, give Jack and Lily a big thumbs up. Today I got my two helpers. Jack's normally my helper in my videos since he was just, you know what, like this big. Jack, is that right? Since you were just a little guy. Anyways, today I got a random cylinder misfire in cylinder 3 on my wife's 2017 Expedition with 3.5 EcoBoost. So today I'm going to replace the spark plugs in it and see if that fixes the problem. If not, then I'll go to Coil Pack and go from there. But so let's get started, guys. All right, so we got the hood open, and we gotta take this cover off. So we gotta take the oil cap off, put it out of the way, and this thing just pops up, pulls off super easy, and we can just put it out of the way. And the coil packs are just right there. So according to the diagram, but this isn't a super difficult to do. We're just got to pull off the coil packs and put the new spark plug in. The spark plugs are pre-gapped, and I'll let you know what the torque is a little later. But I'm going to put this oil cap back on to make sure that no dust gets in where the oil is. But anyways, we'll get these, we're just going to do one at a time. We'll start with each one and do one at a time. Alright, so the tools you need for the job is you'll need a 5/8 socket for the spark plugs. And it's got the magnet right there, so it'll hold on to it so you don't lose it. Makes it super easy. And then a 3/8 nut driver for this isn't on here very tight, and it just takes a little bit of effort to get it off. So pull that off. Pull this little thing off right here, and then slowly, gently pull the coil pack off, and then you can put and then make sure you put there's a little gel that comes with that you can get for the spark plug. Put it over the coil, between the coil and the spark plug. And so these ones are super easy. So I'm gonna work on that, and I'll come back when I'm done. Anyways, I got the coil pack out, and then now I just want to pull the spark plug out itself. So we're going to use our tool to just be careful with this, and then we're going to use our tool to get the old spark plug out. I'm not really sure when the spark plugs were changed last on this, so just be gentle. Don't try and overkill. You definitely don't want to strip these threads on this, but just be careful about not getting dirt and stuff in there. And then dielectric grease on your spark plug. It will just help the connection. So anyways, I'll get right now. We got the old spark plug out. It's definitely been in there for a while. And the new one, we're just gonna put a little bit of dielectric grease on here, and then we'll put it back in, torque it down, and then we pop this back in, and boom, move on to the next cylinder. So we do that times 6, and we're good to go. So the torque is 60 inch-pounds, or about 5 pound-feet, and on these ones that are directly from Ford, they have a non-adjustable gap, so you don't have to worry about adjusting the gap. It's already pre-gapped, so you don't have to worry about that. But 60 inch-pounds, which is not very tight. It does not have to be super tight. It's really easy to put these in, so just be careful. Don't over tighten them. Okay? Also, guys, be sure to remove the negative battery terminal cable, so you don't have any unexpected attempts at starting the vehicle. So just beware of that. All right, guys, got everything back together, so we should be good to go. You know, start it up and see how it goes. If you I would do one at a time and then start it up, because if you have an issue with that one, then you'll know which one the issue is with. Should be good to go with that. But if you don't know what you're doing, if you've never worked on cars and stuff, I would recommend just having someone else do it. Avoid issues that way and possible problems. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a big thumbs up, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.